Now, we all know it's time for each of us to start living lagoon-friendly. Because there are things we all do that damage the lagoon and harm water quality, but everyone can also make simple changes to help restore the lagoon. There's a role for everyone. Agencies, governments, homeowners, boaters, anglers, anyone who cares about the health of the lagoon. Agencies and governments can focus on their regulatory responsibilities and take on lagoon issues. They can continue and accelerate funding for wastewater and stormwater infrastructure improvements. And they can implement projects that meet or exceed the goals of the region's basin management action plans or reasonable assurance plans. Everyone can do their part by never dumping anything down a storm drain or into a canal. And if you're a boater like me, stay out of the shallows and keep boats off seagrass beds and oyster reefs. Prop scars can take years to heal. Obey speed zones and operate safely to protect wildlife, other boaters, and yourself. Be sure to use pump-out stations for your marine toilet. If you like to camp out on the lagoon's spoil islands, pack out your trash and use wag bags to keep human waste contained. Maintain your cars and boats so they don't leak oil, fuel, or fluids onto roads or into the lagoon. And if you're a dog owner, pick up after your pet and dispose of pet wastes in the trash. By adopting just a few lagoon-friendly practices, we all make a difference. We encourage you to invite your friends and neighbors to join us in restoring the lagoon. It's going to take more than just state agencies and local governments to solve the problem. It's going to take all of us.